Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So today's video is all about the perfect potting mix for Anthurium without using charcoal, moss and any such things. Our potting mix is a simple recipe of only 4 ingredients, which is organic compost, river sand, coconut fiber and normal garden soil. Take everything in equal proportions and mix it up. This is how it looks after mixing. Anthurium does not need too much soil to grow. Also, very important thing that its potting mix should be well draining. Its roots grow well in lightweight, airy potting mix. Take a pot. I have taken an 8-inch pot here. Make sure it has drainage holes. Do cover the drainage holes with some stones or coconut shell pieces. This is to ensure that not much soil is wasted while watering the plant. After that, as the bottommost layer, I added a lot more small coconut shell pieces. This can be replaced by clay roof tiles as well. In Malayalam, it is called Ood Kashnangal. Being a Malayali, you never run out of coconut shells, coconut fiber, etc. So yeah, I have plenty of them. After that, I have added a layer of thick coconut fiber, which is the outer covering of the coconut. You need not shred it into small pieces. Here we need the thick and hard part of the coconut fiber. Now it's time for the potting mix that we prepared. Add to almost half of the pot so that we can keep the plant on it and then cover the rest of the pot with potting mix. This is the Anthurium plant that I am going to pre-plant today. This was actually given to me by a very kind auntie in our colony. She knows very well that recently I have become very much addicted to plants. So yeah, many of the plants that I have in my garden has been given by that auntie. So yeah, back to our Anthurium plant. The roots are well developed. The plant looks healthy. Currently, at present, it has 4 leaves. So yeah, let's plant it now. So keep the plant on the potting mix that we prepared and cover the rest of the pot with the prepared potting soil. Few things that you need to keep in mind when you are dealing with Anthurium plants is that Anthurium plants don't need much soil, much water and much fertilizer. Sounds easy, right? But no, it's not that easy. But at the same time, you can fertilize it once in a month or once in 2 months will also do. Soon after repotting or replanting, we need to water the plants. This helps the soil to settle and ensures good contact between the roots and the soil. I am also cleaning the leaves here which got dusty. Just to give you an idea of it, I repotted this plant on 30th September 2023 and I will show you the update of this plant in 2 months or 3 months. Keep watching. God, the pot got dirty too. Let's clean it as well. Otherwise, it looks so shabby, dirty, right? And here we are on 23rd October 2023, more than 3 weeks after we repotted the plant. And look at that, there's finally a new growth. Actually, you know what? After replanting it, I used to check it on every 5th, 6th day if there's any improvement, if there's any growth, but no. So, when you're dealing with plants like Anthurium, you need to have patience. It is not among very fast growing plants. The best place to keep Anthurium is in an area that receives bright indirect light. Anthuriums do not tolerate direct sunlight. Its leaves tend to get burnt. Fast forward to 4th December 2023 and here we are with another new growth after such a long wait. Look at that. What do you think it must be? A new leaf? A flower? I really wished it was a flower. But man, I was wrong. It is actually a new leaf that is popping up. Again, something is better than nothing, right? So I'm super happy to see this. I am super happy that my potting mix worked for it. The roots have actually become longer and already touched the sides of the pot. Actually, most of the videos I have watched on YouTube on potting mix of Anthurium, they use pot of moss, charcoal pieces, wood bark, etc. And there it is, a new leaf after almost 3 months of repotting this beauty. Oh my god, I am so happy to see this. Normally it takes around 4 to 5 months of repotting for the first flower to appear on Anthurium. I'll definitely post a video on my YouTube channel when I get the first flower. Till then, please do watch and subscribe to my channel. Thanks and bye.